You've learned how to manage your code and navigate your environment. Now it's time to bring your AI agents to life. In this video, we'll go over prompt engineering and project planning, two essential skills for building something meaningful with AI. After installing your agentic AI framework, your next step is to set up the prompts that guide your agents. Prompt engineering is the art of designing instructions that guide large language models, also called LLMs, to give the desired output. They will be the actual AI models behind your agents. The key is to construct clear and effective prompts that include an agent's objective and character, how it should interact with other agents, and decision structures if applicable. Only include relevant details to avoid confusing the LLM. This screenshot is an example of instructions given to a Costco returns and refunds agent. The last puzzle piece is project planning. Remember to outline deliverables, deadlines, and resources needed, such as APIs, tools, or databases. To get a better idea of our curriculum, visit schoolofgoodai.org or watch videos from other units. This is especially important in a self-paced program like this one. All projects are due August 31st, 2025 at 11:59 p.m. EDT, so plan ahead. You can find a sample timeline on our website. To organize and keep track of actionable tasks, we recommend using a task tracker. An example is shown on the screen. Don't forget to regularly update your deadlines as your project progresses. Ready to begin? Choose either OpenAI Agents SDK or CrewAI as your framework. Start by exploring their documentation and watching our demos. Then pick a nonprofit organization as your focus. For instance, you might build a chatbot for the Canadian Environmental Law Association to help users understand their legal rights. Once you've chosen your idea, write your agent's instructions and structure your project using the tools we just covered: version control, a virtual environment, prompt engineering, and a tracker. That's it for this introduction. With these tools and tips, you're well on your way to building agents that can make a difference. Good luck, and we can't wait to see what you'll create. See you in Unit 2.